Hi guys, welcome back to KMJ Rocks, and today I'm going to be doing the backwards slime challenge. So if you don't know what that is, you make slime backwards. So if I would normally put the glue in first, but first I would put the saline solution. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be making purple fluffy glitter slime. So I'm going to take my saline solution. The hard thing about this is you have to measure it just right, or it's just going to be sticky. Think about there? No. Okay, I think that's good. So then I usually put in my shaving cream. Well, okay, that's good. Just gonna mix it. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Yes, that's good enough. So then I would add in my glitter. I'm gonna add in purple glitter. And then some silver glitter. Okay, just gonna mix that in. Can't really see the glitter that much, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, and a little more silver. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, that's about enough glitter. And now I add in my purple paint. Gotta open it. I need some scissors. Okay, got scissors. Okay, I'm gonna add in the purple paint. Mix it. Because when we add in the glue, it's going to make it, again, a little bit lighter. So we're going to add in some more paint. Okay, that should be good. Okay, I think that's about good. One more squirt maybe. Okay. Okay, hope this works. Now we're gonna add in the glue. This is a big bottle too, so. Okay, since this is the last step, I can add in as much glue as I want. So I think I'm going to add in some more glue. activating. Yay! Yeah. Really activating too. Okay, now I think it's time to go in with my hands. So yeah, we get very, very wet. That's why we go in with our hands so we can mix it all and be a little too much paint, maybe just a little bit, I don't know. But this is a really good slime. I'm so happy it turned out well. Keep kneading it. Oh. It's not stiff, it's a little sticky though. That's what I was worried about. More saline solution in here though. I can pick up. Get unsticky. Oh man. Really nice slime though, so happy how it turned out. I'm going. Don't know what I'm gonna name this slime though. Could be like grape slime. Whoa, it's everywhere. It's just gonna put it in there for now. Let it soak up a little more saline solution while I get it off the sides. Oh, there we go. Now it picked up all that purple paint that was left in there. There we go. Yay, it's getting unsticky. I actually think I added it in the perfect amount. This is so good. Just gonna get all the glitters that are in there. Don't want it glittery. But you don't want to pick up a lot of saline solution because then it'll make my slime stiff, which we don't want. I think it's done. Was fun. Also a little short. Really nice slime. Really happy how it turned out too. Be right back. Okay. I'm gonna make another slime. We're making another slime. This video was short, so yeah. Gotta get the stuff out of here. And then at the end, I'll mix the slimes together. So yeah. I'm just gonna grab some different ingredients and keep all the stuff over here. Whoa. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to be making some pinkish red gold glitter fluffy slime. Let's go. Just going to add in what I did the last time. At least try to. Okay, that's about right. Shaving cream. That's about right. Do what I did the last time. Gonna add in some gold. No, some red because that's like the main thing. Because it's like closer to the color. Come on. Okay, now some gold. Whoa, that gold comes out fast. Okay, gonna add some more red because you want red. Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it, see how it turns out. Okay, that's good. Next, paint. And sealed. Lift up my sock. Okay. Pink and purple may turn out like not a good color, but I'm pretty sure it will still be a pretty good slime. Because if the purple one turned out good and this pink one turns out good, then that should make a good slime. Hopefully. Because, yeah. Hope it's going to be a good slime. Okay, that's good enough. Whoa, that's a pretty pink. It's like pink, red, magenta, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we need more color. Okay, that's good. Time for the glue. Okay. Is it activating? It's activating! Yay! I don't know. Yeah, we need more glue. Okay, I think that's good. Time to go in with our hands. Just like the purple one, like the paint, you know? I don't think I did good on this one, no. Not enough. Don't know what happened. Doesn't feel good either. What happened, slime? Do we need more glue? I think we need more glue, guys. Save the slime, please. I don't understand what happened with this one. Too much saline solution, I think. No! Get all the glue. Oh. It's stiff. No. A beautiful slime. Too much saline solution. See the slime. See the slime. See, too much. Too much. Okay, I think that's about as much glue as I'm gonna do to help this slime. It's doing it. It's working! Yay! I think. I hope. I hope. Come on. Slime. Why did you work out the first time? Not this time. I think I added a little too much saline solution. But that's okay because we're going to mix it in with the really good slime. So yeah, just put you down there. This purple one has 8 in the cap to the shaving cream. Okay, I'm going to set you down there. You down there. Now we're going to do the clicky test. So yeah, let's go. Okay, first slime, the purple one. Just gonna pick up the purple one. This one, really good. Okay, make a swirl. One's a little sticky though, which is okay. I can't do it, it's too sticky. Ooh, this is really good slime. I like it. So I'm just gonna do a swirl. Oh, move you to this side. Yeah, I just did this one, but who cares? Next is this one. This one's better! Yay! Well, I mean, it's okay still, but this one isn't that cookie, but that's okay. Okay, so first, I'm gonna do a swirl. Then do a swirl, and then that's when we mix. Okay, here we go. I think the pink, no, I think the purple is gonna take over because it's like, it's the darkest shade. I don't know who. Okay, before I mix it all the way in, just think who's gonna, comment down below who you think is gonna take over. So yeah, come on, mix. Ooh. Like turning, it's turning a really pretty color. But the pink one definitely, because it was a little overactivated, made this a little tough-ish. But yeah, just pick up all that stuff off my hands. Come on. Oh, it's so pretty. Actually, the pink took over. The pink one took over. Let's see if I can make a slime bubble. No. Dang it. Oh, a tiny one. Why isn't it working? Oh, okay, last one, last try. Okay, so it turned like this purpley pink color. It's not like magenta. I guess it sort of is. So yeah, this is my final slime. Very fluffy. A little bit stiff. But that's okay. It looks actually red, white, and blue. Because those purple ones, besides the yellow, but those purple ones that I thought were purple actually turned out blue. So now it's like red, white, and blue. Because of the red one and the silver. The gold is like just there. But yeah, I give this slime a thumbs up for making backwards and for it like actually working good. I think say this is pretty good. So yeah, what do you guys think? Stretchy? Stretchy. Let's see, I haven't made a swirl with it yet. I don't think so. Clicky. Let's see. I think I can do it this time. Do you guys think I can? Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like slime, give it a thumbs up. If you like glitter, give it a thumbs up. Just if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below what type's your favorite slime. And if you like this slime, what would you rate it? A 1 through 10. Yeah, so like, subscribe, and share. Bye!